Well, recent breaking news coming in at this hour. Now, the Delhi Chief Minister has made a big comment on bursting crackers. The Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has said that Diwali is incomplete without crackers and fireworks. Saying this, she has also added that the government should do their work. Now, the Delhi Chief Minister has spoken on crackers in the festive season and has said that she does not want to hurt Hindus anywhere. Now, this is in context of firecrackers being burnt on Diwali. The Delhi Chief Minister has maintained that Diwali is incomplete without firecrackers and fireworks, and she's also added as to how she does not want to hurt the sentiments of Hindus anywhere. Remember that Delhi NCR braces for pollution, given the fact that this is the festive season and Delhi NCR has dealt with the problem of pollution for the longest time. This is the Delhi Chief Minister's comment when it comes to firecrackers as well as, of course, fireworks. Now listen into what she had to say.
करोड़ों करोड़ हिंदू मन जो दिवाली को प्रभु राम के आने के उत्सव के रूप में मनाते हैं, बिना आतिशबाजी के, बिना पटाखों के वो अधूरी है। वो रौनक जरूरी है और ग्रीन क्रैकर जलाने में मुझे लगता नहीं कि कोई भी दिक्कत है। सरकारें अपना काम करें, परंतु कहीं से भी हिंदू हृदय को आहत हो, ऐसा हम नहीं चाहेंगे।
Well, on this, we have my colleague Anushka joining us on the telecast. Anushka, we heard the Delhi Chief Minister. She's talked about how Diwali is incomplete without firecrackers. She's also called for, green crackers to be used, and has also said that it is the job of the government. Walk us through the details. What exactly are the guidelines in place when it comes to firecrackers in the national capital?
That's right, Reet. We always see during the winter season Delhi grapples with air pollution. We also saw last year when the AQI had crossed 500 points, and we're also seeing that this time ahead of Diwali celebrations, the Delhi Chief Minister has said and made a very big statement saying that Diwali is incomplete without firecrackers, and she would not want to hurt any Hindu hearts while this celebration is going on, and that in order to make Delhi a Ram Rajya, people should be happy and should be in fact celebrating Diwali to its fullest. But we are also seeing that this is not the first time that people would be burning firecrackers, regardless of all the bans that has been put in place. Every year when Diwali comes, we see people bursting firecrackers everywhere, and after that we see an immediate hike in air pollution as well. Last year also the condition was similar when the AQI had breached 500 points, and now we are seeing that this Chief Minister has in fact made a very big statement. Supreme Court has in fact also said that while Diwali is there, the government should ensure either the firecrackers that are being bursted are green crackers, or no crackers should be in fact burnt in the first place. But we are also seeing that now Rekha Gupta has clearly stated that it is the job of government to make the situation a little soft for people, a little normal for people, but it is in fact also the people's job to celebrate Diwali to its fullest.